YouTube. This is the Lego Technique bucket truck. It's quite a good set. Got it for Christmas. It's quite good. I think the best feature on it is this wee thing that turns, and then if you turn this wee button here, it goes up. Goes up for a very, very, very long way. That's about full height. It's quite high up. And then once it's at full height, you can turn that, and then if it turns, that's quite a good feature. And then you've got a sweet engine compartment that opens, but you can see now there's no engine. And you've got these big light things, which I don't know, can be used as headlamps. And then you've got these wee stabiliser things, which come down on both ends. Hang on, where is it? Aha! Okay, stop. Aha, there we go. And they both flew down there, so they're sort of a real life truck of this size. They sort of keep it stable. And then if you go to the back, you've got this thing that turns the wheels. That's really good, so like, when you drive it turns this and all that. And then you've got wee doors at the side. Oh, hang on. They open up. And you've got your wee steering wheel in here, which can move up and down. That's quite a good wee feature. And so yeah, really good set. That's pretty much all of it. So yeah, I thoroughly recommend you to get one of these. Takes a couple hours to build, but really good.